फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे बेसिक एमसीक्यूज ऑन डायरेक्ट टैक्सेशन पार्ट 5 फॉर बीकॉम, एमकॉम, बैफ, बीएमएस, बीपीआई, बीएफएम, बीआईएम, आईपीसीसी एंड सीएमए। तो स्टार्ट करेंगे बेसिक एमसीक्यूज ऑन डायरेक्ट टैक्सेशन। First, agriculture income from a place outside India is exempt from tax, taxable only in case of a non-resident, taxable as income from business, taxable as income from other sources. एग्रीकल्चर इनकम जो होता है वो इंडिया में होता है तो वो एग्जेम्प्ट होता है, लेकिन एग्रीकल्चर इनकम फ्रॉम अ प्लेस आउटसाइड इंडिया होता है वो टैक्सेबल होता है एंड टैक्सेबल इन अदर सोर्सेज होता है। तो आंसर टैक्सेबल एज इनकम फ्रॉम अदर सोर्सेज। Second, deduction under section 80C is allowed to the maximum of rupees 50,000, rupees 1,50,000, rupees 1 lakh, rupees 2 lakh। डिडक्शन अंडर सेक्शन 80C के लिए मैक्सिमम अलाउेबल डिडक्शन है, अमाउंट है रुपीज 1,50,000। तो आंसर बी। Third, for claiming deduction under section 80C in the respect of life insurance premium, it can be paid by assessee for himself only, himself or spouse, himself, spouse and any child, spouse. For claiming deduction under section 80C in the respect of life insurance premium, it can be paid by assessee for himself, spouse and any child. तो आंसर सी, himself, spouse and any child. Fourth, Mr. Mandar has received a sum of rupees 75,000 on 24th October 2019 from his friend on the occasion of his marriage anniversary. Entire 75,000 is chargeable to tax. Entire rupees 75,000 is exempt from tax. Only rupees 25,000 is chargeable to tax. Only 50%, that is rupees 37,500 is chargeable to tax. Gift on the occasion of marriage ये exempt होता है, लेकिन मैरिज एनिवर्सरी के टाइम जो हम गिफ्ट रिसीव करते हैं वो टैक्सेबल होता है और ये अमाउंट 50,000 के ऊपर है। तो आंसर 75,000 ये हो जाएगा पूरा का पूरा चार्जेबल टू टैक्स। तो आंसर ए, एंटायर रुपीज 75,000 इज चार्जेबल टू टैक्स। Fifth, Mr. Y has received a sum of rupees 51,000 on 24th October 2019 from relatives on the occasion of his marriage. Entire rupees 51,000 is chargeable to tax. Only 1,000 is chargeable to tax. Entire 51,000 is exempt from tax. Only 50%, that is 25,500 is chargeable to tax. Gift on the occasion of his marriage ये exempt होता है और ये अमाउंट 50,000 या उसके ऊपर हुआ तो भी उसका कुछ इफेक्ट होने वाला नहीं है। मैरिज के टाइम लिया हुआ गिफ्ट ये क्या होता है, एग्जेम्प्ट होता है। तो आंसर सी, एंटायर रुपीज 51,000 इज एग्जेम्प्ट फ्रॉम टैक्स। Six, Ganesh received rupees 60,000 from his friend on the occasion of his birthday. The entire amount of rupees 60,000 is taxable. Rupees 15,000 is taxable. The entire amount is exempt. Rupees 10,000 is taxable. गणेश ने ये अमाउंट गिफ्ट लिया है ऑन द ओकेजन ऑफ हिज बर्थडे और ये अमाउंट 50,000 के ऊपर है, तो 50,000 के ऊपर जो भी अमाउंट होगा वो पूरा का पूरा अमाउंट टैक्सेबल होगा। तो आंसर द एंटायर अमाउंट ऑफ ₹60,000 इज टैक्सेबल। आंसर ए। 7. Deduction under section 80C in the respect of tuition fees is allowed to an individual only, individual or HUF, any assessee, company. Deduction under 80C in the respect of tuition fee ये allow है only individual only, तो आंसर first A and individual only. 8. Deduction under section 80C for tuition fees shall be allowed for the purpose of any full-time education in a school or college, any full or part-time education, any part-time education in a college abroad, private coaching institute. तो डिडक्शन अंडर सेक्शन 80C फॉर ट्यूशन फीस ये अलाउड है फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ फुल टाइम एजुकेशन, तो आंसर ए एनी फुल टाइम एजुकेशन इन अ स्कूल और कॉलेज। 9. Deduction under section 80C in respect of term deposit with a scheduled bank is allowed if the term deposit is for a period of not less than 3 years, not less than 5 years, not less than 2 years, not less than 10 years. Deduction under section 80C in the respect of term deposit with scheduled bank is allowed only if the period of term deposit is not less than 5 years. Answer B. 10. Deduction under section 80E is allowed to the extent of rupees 2 lakh, rupees 1,50,000, rupees 1 lakh, any amount. Deduction under section 80E is allowed to the extent of no limit, तो आंसर any amount। इसके लिए मैक्सिमम अलाउेबल अमाउंट नहीं है, तो आंसर एनी अमाउंट, जितना अमाउंट हम पे करेंगे उतना अमाउंट का हमें डिडक्शन मिल जाएगा, तो आंसर डी एनी अमाउंट। 11. The payment for insurance premium under section 80D should be in cash, by any mode other than cash, cash or by check, only by cross check. The payment for insurance premium under section 80D should be any mode other than cash होना चाहिए, तो आंसर बी by any mode other than cash। कैश में होता तो इसका डिडक्शन नहीं मिलेगा, आंसर बी अदर देन कैश होना चाहिए। 12. Deduction under section 80DD in case of dependent with more than 80% disability shall be allowed to the extent of actual expenditure rupees 75,000, rupees 1,25,000 irrespective of actual expenditure rupees 1 lakh. Deduction under section 80DD in case of dependent with more than 80% disability shall be allowed rupees 1,25,000 irrespective of actual expenditure. So answer C, rupees 1,25,000. 13. Deduction under section 80E is allowed in the respect of amount paid by way of interest on loan taken from any person, any relatives, any financial institutions or approved charitable institutions, any money lender. Deduction under section 80E is allowed in respect of amount paid by way of interest on loan taken from any financial institution or approved charitable institutions. Answer C. 14. The quantum of deduction allowed under section 80U is rupees 40,000, rupees 75,000, rupees 60,000, rupees 80,000. The quantum of deduction under section 80U is allowed minimum rupees 75,000 and maximum rupees 1,25,000. To answer B, 75,000. 15. Rupees 1,50,000 is maximum qualifying limit for deduction under sections 80C, section 80C and 80D, section 80C and 80CCC, section 80C and 80DD. So, rupees 1,50,000 is maximum qualifying limit for डिडक्शन अंडर सेक्शन 80C के लिए भी होता है एंड सेक्शन 80C एंड 80CCC के लिए भी होता है. तो आंसर मोस्ट सुटेबल आंसर इज सी, सेक्शन 80C एंड 80CCC. तो आंसर सी. थैंक यू. शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो.